Ow. Oh, there's a party, and it's in the USA. And they put their hands up, and they hop on the LAX. Pastor's like, oh, we're never going to want to bring him ever again.
You're like, that's my plan.
What? No, I wasn't thinking that at all.
You just did.
Now I thought of it, but I'm like, before I was doing that wasn't the plan.
Well, I mean, think about it. For days before, you occasionally gripe about like losing your day off and having to work all the time, and then in the morning when I get you up, not whining and complaining, whatever, you are hard to get going, and then you're way too much energy the entire drive here.
Like, who's that chick?
It's okay, I'm sending you up with Dad.
Nope. The Britney song.
He'll keep you in line.
And then we'll play this jam and
and then he starts singing along with it. I really thought that was Evie for a minute.
I really thought that was you for a minute.
But not Daddy. We did not think it was Daddy.
Can I say that?
No.
Post it? What? The DJ playing my song and I feel alright.
Aaron, don't get your